Hey, everybody. Welcome to today's event. It's the biggest event of the year at Jasper, coming exactly 1 year after the announcement of Jasper's raise of a Series A. And there's been a lot of developments over the last 12 months. You're going to see a recap of some of those developments, but also some really exciting new product releases coming out today and also forecasting the future. So you're going to get a first look at Jasper's roadmap and development plan. Before then, let's hear from the leadership team about their vision on where AI is going and Jasper's mission on the way there. First off, we're going to hand it over to Jasper's co founder, Dave Rogenmoser.
Thanks, Austin. What's up, everyone? Thanks for joining us here on a Wednesday. As Austin said, I'm one of the co founders, former CEO of Jasper. So I'll tell you a little bit about that transition here. But first, I wanted to go back and just tell you a bit about the story of Jasper for 60 seconds here. So we started the company a little over 2.5 years ago, January 2021. Basically, we had this idea that we'd seen LLMs, we'd seen GPT-3, and we thought this is amazing for marketers, but it's still complicated to use and you still have to be a little technical. And so we thought, what if we simplify that down, make it really easy to use and wrap it all around business use cases? And so we're not just generating poetry and fun things for personal use. We're saying, hey, how do we make a performance driven tool that helps marketers write better content faster, actually achieve their goals faster? And we really got excited about building this for big teams and enterprises, though at that time, this was much too risky for companies to use. And so we ended up building a really great early version that prosumers and freelancers and SMBs really loved and got a lot of traction out of. And a lot of them still use it today here. I think the big shift that we have seen over the last 6, 12 months is that, hey, enterprises are now buying and they're hungry for this. Big teams need a lot different functionality than just a single solo user here. We also saw that, hey, people want stuff that's on brand. They want it to be to know about their company. They want it to be performance driven and tie into analytics and metrics. And really, we thought there's a new opportunity here for us to turn the page, go past this kind of single player writing assistant into a really professional enterprise grade tool that helps you not just write content faster, but helps you get content that performs so much better here. And that's what we have been heads down building over the last 8, 9, 10 months here. And we're hope that all of you are excited about what we're putting together. We've obviously worked with a lot of you to craft this, and we're excited about that. But over the last several months, I did some soul searching and I looked at where we had been and what we were trying to go do, build for the enterprise, scale up the company past this. And I thought we really would be best served with somebody that had done this before. And I went to the board and I said, hey, I think we could probably find a CEO that can get us to where we're trying to go faster than me. Let's go give it a run. Let's go see if we can find somebody. Long story short, I found the brilliant and awesome Timothy Young. Timothy and I met not too long ago, Tim, probably 75 days ago, chatted on the phone. I said, hey, here's where we're at. We got this huge opportunity. We're super excited. And we really want to scale the company quickly and hit this gap hard. Timothy had previously founded and scaled a company, sold it to VMware. He was a product engineering leader at VMware and then was most recently president at Dropbox. So he had all the pieces that I got excited about coming into the company. We got along great. And just as we started to talk about product, we started talking about, hey, what do our customers want? What do our customers need? He just had this great, strong intuition from his past work and just who he is that he knew where to take the company and knew how to help get the great product into your hands really quickly here. And I'm going to officially pass the baton here to Timothy. It's been an awesome couple weeks so far here. And everyone, the new Jasper CEO, Tim Young.
Thank you, Dave. And hello, everyone. I'm Tim Young, new CEO of Jasper, and I've been with the company almost about a month now. And having been in the tech industry for over 2 decades, it's really incredibly rare to see a technology adopted so quickly by enterprises, right? Generative AI is becoming a top priority for companies' transformation initiatives. And I'm super excited about the vision we're going to share with you today about where we're going to take this company and all of you on this journey. Now, marketing is in process of a radical transformation. And I believe from my experience that marketing teams and content are at the center of an organization's generative AI strategy. Now, myself and everyone at Jasper are really excited to partner with all of you to help you champion AI in your businesses. Now, over the last couple of years, we've experienced a tremendous amount of momentum, helping marketing teams become more creative and speed their time to market by generating over 200 million unique pieces of content published with over 32 billion words. As we've done this, Jasper has become an integral part of high performing marketing teams' daily workflows. We've helped organizations like Amplitude and Bloomreach deliver demonstrable improvements to key KPIs, improving the outcome of their businesses. But as Dave alluded to earlier, faster content is just not enough. It's just the beginning of how AI and Jasper can help transform your marketing team. Now, a little over 2 years ago, we brought you one of the first platforms to leverage generative AI to develop content and convey ideas. But after listening to all of your feedback, watching how customers are using our product, and co-innovating with many of you this past year, we aim to do a lot more than just that. And so today, I'm excited to announce that we're launching the industry's first enterprise-grade marketing AI copilot. Now, we're taking these next steps in applying generative AI to your business with this announcement. It's the first AI companion purpose-built for marketing teams to assist you and your team in completing and automating everyday marketing tasks, helping your team to be more creative, more productive, more knowledgeable, and supporting your marketing efforts and cutting through the noise to be more unique and drive, most importantly, increased performance. Now, when we think about an AI copilot or a daily use companion that all of you can use throughout your day to accomplish tasks, the copilot has to help you achieve more than just content output. It needs to guide your team to improved outcomes and performance. And with that, we believe an AI copilot for marketing has three core capabilities. The first is skills, which are tasks or actions that the copilot can take with you. Now, Jasper's first skill was to generate a variety of content from a prompt. But as you'll hear from our team today, we've taught Jasper a lot of new tricks. Additionally, the copilot needs to have a memory. It has to have the ability to understand your company's strategy, its goals, its analytics, its performance, your prior marketing materials and campaigns, your customer segmentation, your personas. And it needs to be customized to your organization's tone and style, voice, and branding, in addition to understanding each person on your team's individual marketing role. Now, the Jasper AI Copilot can help augment your team. It can enable your team to be more efficient, automate mundane, non-strategic tasks, and help you analyze large amounts of data in an easy conversational manner. And we're going to do all this while maintaining enterprise-grade security of all your data and your actions. Now, I want to share a little bit about what we're launching today with the first version of the Copilot. And for the past couple of years, what you'll see at the top is content acceleration. That's what Jasper is mainly focused on. But today we're announcing with the launch of the Copilot a number of new core pieces of functionality. The first is the Company Intelligence Hub. Now, this helps Jasper's Copilot's memory to build a knowledge graph of your company. It's an intelligence solution to securely and safely tap into the brand, your strategy, and your audience information. You're able to educate Jasper on your brand voice and style, as well as connect to data systems if you choose, or upload positioning or strategic documents so that content generated with Jasper is better informed, more unique, and more strategic. And with it comes a new feature we're excited about called X-Ray View. Now, this enables your team to see exactly where a piece of content strays from the style or brand voice that you desire. Now, we know many marketers are hesitant to try AI due to generic outputs and inaccuracies as a result of what we would call AI hallucinations. And this X-ray feature aims to reduce hallucinations with respect to competitive positioning. Now, the second key piece of functionality of the Copilot that we're launching today is called campaign acceleration. You can now take just a seed of an idea and not just have generate a piece of content, but also define and coordinate a full campaign. With an AI native approach, we are bringing campaign management tools like assignments, comments, and scheduling directly into the flow of content production. And we built this to help marketers more easily organize roles and responsibilities surrounding key projects or campaigns. And this new ability really aims to reduce the administrative lift that external project management tools require, but in a more AI native and productive way. Now, the third piece of the Copilot that we're announcing today that I'm personally really excited about is aimed right at understanding performance. It's all about analytics and insights. And many of you for the past year have been asking for this, and we're finally excited to be able to deliver it. We're going to alert your team to underperforming content, in addition to providing recommendations on how to better optimize that content, deploy revisions with just the simple click of a button, and easily visualize top performing content in one simplistic dashboard. The Jasper Copilot will surface trends in content performance, highlight opportunities for you, inform your team of future strategy shifts, and most importantly, give you a clear picture of the ROI. And finally, the Copilot and all of our functionality is supported by our new Enterprise Foundation and Administration Console. It, connected with our AI orchestration layer, gives you the best results safely and securely. Now, we're going to continue to expand the Jasper Copilot functionality each quarter and are excited to partner with you in enabling your teams to be more effective with a focus on outcomes, not just outputs. And so now I'm going to invite Jasper's VP of Product and Customer Success, Zach Anderson, to take you through the details of the Copilot, show you some of the functionality in detail, and share how it can drive impact for your team and strategic efforts.
Love it. Thank you so much, Timothy. First off, warm welcome to you as well. We're excited to have you joining us here at Jasper. I know you and I have had lots of exciting product conversations already, so more to come on that. Yeah, really, I'm here to put a face to what this announcement actually is. I've been with Jasper now for a year and a half, mostly spending my time directly with customers, hearing from them about Jasper, how they use it, what they wish it was capable of. And now I'm in a lucky position to actually be part of the engineering and product teams to actually help bring that vision to life. And so today, I thought we'd get into some of those details, but as we do around here at Jasper, we wanted to just take a step back and make sure that everyone was coming from the same foundation. As David mentioned, Jasper exploded onto the scene back in January 2021. We've really been thinking from the beginning about how to help marketing teams and creators generate amazing content that converts. Ultimately, our mission was how to make the process of content creation and delivery simple, efficient, and fun as we could possibly make it. We've always wanted you to feel like you have superpowers with Jasper. It could help in your content creation, and we want to be your expert in actually curating that content that converts for your business. And we saw early how this technology could really improve the lives of marketers. And we launched the first version of Jasper with some key pieces, as Dave mentioned, that are so widely used today. So really that started with this foundation of templates. This was all about distilling down the complications of getting started with AI into simple, repeatable content creation tools. Templates have been the backbone of getting started with Jasper. Soon after launching templates, we added long form documents. This is really what allowed marketers for the first time to create high quality, long form content for blogs and websites. And this was like a very exciting moment for both us and for the customers. There's also a great partnership between Jasper and our customers. You told us this is what you wanted. So Dave and the team went and built it. We've always believed that taking Jasper with you across the web is an important part of our story as well. So we've got the Chrome extension, which brings Jasper to every text box on the web. Marketers can take the power of Jasper and bring it with them to where they work most often. And we know that customers want even more from us there. That's why we're always looking for new ways to help. So recently this year, we launched our Jasper API, which makes it possible to integrate Jasper into any workflow or platform that you all use. Content creators can now create content on their own terms without worrying about switching between multiple tools. And overall, we want our customers to have more control over their content and to be able to take it with them wherever they go. As our platform expanded, marketers talked to us about the need for creating campaigns, which we added to our capabilities around documents. This is one of our first investments in collaboration within Jasper. So teams can now create content at scale around a goal and a campaign. Hopefully you heard earlier this year when we delivered our first personalization and brand feature in Jasper Brand Voice. So marketers can now not only generate content and campaigns, but they can do so in their tone, aligned to their brand. No more generic content, Jasper has become a place that sounds like you and sounds like your brand. We've always deeply believed in security as a foundation for us, and businesses rely on us to protect their data. The pace of innovation in AI has been intense, insane, absurd, whatever words you want to use. And we've been grateful to be able to provide a secure place for companies to generate content without training public models or sharing any sensitive company data. We've also always believed in the power of working with the best LLM models in the world to ensure Jasper has access to the best model for the best output, given the outcome you're trying to achieve in marketing. But ultimately, you didn't really come here today to learn about what Jasper already does. Although maybe if you see something you're not using yet today, let's go and fix that and give some of those things a try today as well. But really, we're here to learn and show you what's new and what direction we're going as a business. And I'm so excited to share with you this all today. We're announcing a new set of capabilities to add to our strong foundation. Basically, we've got an upgraded Copilot. First up, and the one, frankly, I'm really excited about as well, we'd love to introduce you to analytics and insights within Jasper. Marketing teams can now combine the power of world-class generative AI tools with real performance data from their actual marketing channels. Marketing has a ton of tools today, but the challenge is most of them are disconnected. How do I tie back what I see in my analytics dashboard to actually executing a strategy to improve it? You're constantly context switching, which likely means the insights get noted, but maybe not actioned. So to start, we're integrating with Google Analytics. You will now have a home for insights within Jasper, allowing you to quickly glance at your top marketing KPIs. But we didn't just want to build Google Analytics reporting in Jasper. What makes this different is that this dashboard is actionable. Jasper can give you insights that you can actually go execute on right here in Jasper right now. Marketers have always struggled with managing their existing content. So now with Jasper Insights, you'll be able to see top performing content and remix those pieces of content into new campaigns with the same topics and same trends. As Timothy mentioned, even your poor performing content can now be optimized for better performance in Jasper. Have a blog that isn't driving the right KPIs? No problem. Open it up in Jasper and start making improvements. At a high level, Jasper can also start to give you suggestions for how to improve your overall performance. Given the analytics data, we can now suggest campaign ideas, content ideas that might help juice your overall marketing goals. We can also take those suggestions down to a content level. This gives you insight on how to improve a single piece of content for performance or improve something that already exists today to get better results. So that's the start to insights and analytics. And as I mentioned before, customization is a foundational piece of our AI Copilot for marketing. You've been able to manage your tone of voice in Jasper, but now you can store your company intelligence at scale in Jasper, giving him the most up-to-date information possible. This drastically helps marketers write and create content that understands your unique details as a company. This reduces hallucinations and definitely helps to fill the gap between LLM training data and your unique company information. This could be things like your brand positioning, product details, personas, competitors, value props, sales enablement content, any detail that you think is important for Jasper to know in order for him to be an effective Copilot. We've also built all of this into our API. So we will be able to manage a much larger set of data with Jasper, more deeply integrating your company intelligence into Jasper at scale. But that's not all we did with customization. We're also excited to launch our new style guide capabilities. With this, marketers can ensure that every piece of content they create in Jasper follows brand guidelines, proper grammar, important terminology, language guidelines, including all the little things that are important to get right from a brand perspective. Before Jasper, marketers spent an enormous amount of time developing style guidelines, storing that in a beautiful document that they hoped would get opened from time to time as people created content. But the reality is it still had a massive load on the brand team to ensure that all content was following best practices. Now that all happens automatically with Jasper. You can have any content creator who is in Jasper following style guidelines automatically as they create, and brand teams can now focus their time and energy on more strategic initiatives for the company instead of reviewing content piece after content piece from their other teams. Even cooler is our X-ray mode. And this is really a new feature from Jasper that scans and reviews your content to not only look for those changes in style and grammar that are necessary, but also it's our home for suggestions and improvements with single click updates on your document for better style and better writing performance. But it's not always just about an individual piece of content. Some of the most important work done by marketers happens in campaigns. We've improved the campaign capabilities to include a ton of useful features for teams who need to collaborate on campaign execution. So not only can Jasper create an entire campaign with dozens of content assets based off just one single campaign brief, now VPs of marketing can actually build out campaigns by assigning roles and responsibilities, setting due dates, and tracking. Marketers have always needed to organize around these projects, but the challenge was wherever you were tracking campaign progress was not the same place where you were actually editing and creating the actual campaign assets. But now with Jasper, you can manage your work, create, edit, improve your content all in the same platform. Super, super exciting. We've launched new campaign views with Kanban boards, with assignments, due dates, statuses to give you the visibility you need as a marketing team to accelerate your campaigns. Next up is Spaces. As we've started to work with some of the best marketing teams in the world, it's really clear we need to have a better way for them to work within Jasper. So today we're introducing Spaces. Spaces is a way to organize groups of content, campaigns, and users within an existing Jasper workspace. Want to have a place in Jasper to work with your product marketing team? Create a space. Have a sensitive campaign from the CEO and need to work in private? Create a space in Jasper. On the social team and want to organize your social content in a private area? Create a space. Regional marketing team in EMEA that wants to collaborate on your local campaigns? You probably guess, just go create a space. I think you get the idea. Spaces add a new layer to our strong enterprise foundation. This is all about helping larger marketing teams to be able to effectively collaborate in Jasper while also maintaining a level of control over their goals and objectives. Spaces also give teams the ability to quickly spin up new initiatives, organize existing content in a way that doesn't only just work for them, but it also makes it easy for them to find their work when needed. I'm really excited about this next one. We've been hard at work creating an entirely new editing experience in Jasper. It's simpler, it's more delightful, it still has all the power you've come to love about Jasper. And given the pace of innovation in AI, to be honest, we probably built maybe a few too many tools in different places to create content. We basically consolidated all of that into one delightful new creation and editing experience. We've also improved our underlying template technology, making creation more dynamic, more suggestive, more conversational. We've also brought all of the personalization tools native to that editing experience. Brand voice, style are easier to use with this new experience. We're actually beta testing this right now. And frankly, we can't wait to get your feedback on this new creation and editing experience. And we hope you find it as magical as we do internally here at Jasper. But not all marketers want to work exclusively in Jasper. So we continue to invest in our extension capabilities. So recently we've expanded our Jasper Everywhere pillar by partnering even deeper with Google. So we've launched add-ons for both Google Docs and Google Sheets. So now in Docs, you've got your Jasper Copilot right there with you, helping you generate content native in a Google Docs experience. And this includes all of the power of our Copilot. For Sheets, we've seen even more usage. This add-on is allowing marketing teams to run large-scale content creation exercises. We've got customers using this capability to create thousands of product descriptions at scale in minutes with Jasper. And just like in Google Docs, the outputs will be on brand with the right tone of voice and trained on your company intelligence. Okay, that's a lot. I hope you saw something that gets you excited. We really can't wait to bring these new AI Copilot capabilities to both customers and new prospects alike. But I also wanted to give a little look as to where we're going beyond this. I didn't want to stop here. I thought I'd actually spend a few minutes just sharing some concepts for where we're going for the remainder of the year. Now, caveat, don't hold me to these. This isn't our official roadmap update, but I wanted to give you an idea of where we're heading as a product and development team. So the first thing We want to continue to invest in analytics. It starts with a better understanding of your goals. What are you trying to accomplish? And then providing insights and recommendations to help you get there. We want to have more of your most important marketing data in Jasper. That way we can provide even more context on how to perform better and reach the outcomes that you want as marketing teams. We also want to bring in existing content through connected channels and publishing. The work for marketers doesn't always equal creating something new. Having connected channels in Jasper actually gives us more context on your marketing strategy, and it allows you to manage the entire flow of a piece of content, from research to creation to publishing, then publishing to improving or revising or remixing into other form factors. We also want to continue to invest in the skills of our co-pilot. Now that we have analytics data and connected channels, Jasper will be smarter than ever, providing suggestions all throughout the experience, ideas on how to stay on brand, drive higher performance, add more context, generate campaign ideas. All of that will happen with our co-pilot. We also know marketing is visual. Although we've been multimodal for about a year with our Jasper art product, we want to allow marketers to create images in Jasper through the power of AI, but we also plan on building even more tools to help you create visual assets around your brand assets and your products. We hope that these tools have a real impact on your ability to generate multimedia campaigns at scale within Jasper. And a personal favorite, we want to introduce a Canvas experience. I don't know exactly what this will be yet, but instead of just opening document after document, different tabs, we see you, users of Jasper. We want you to be able to look at an entire campaign in one view. Get a sense of how all the pieces of a campaign work together to tell the story that you want to bring to your customers or to your market. Now that Jasper stores your company intelligence, we also want to continue to invest in providing world-class security controls within Jasper. You'll have the confidence to be able to manage your workspace effectively, ensure your data stays with Jasper, and that your users are leveraging AI for the right business use cases. So just to recap, we've always had a really strong foundation, and we're grateful for the support of our customers to help us really get Jasper off the ground. And you provided an enormous amount of feedback to our company about how we could improve your lives as marketers. We're thrilled today to make some really exciting product announcements that are launching soon, and you'll hear more about that in a minute. And hopefully a kind of clear and exciting vision for what the future of our Jasper AI Copilot for marketing could actually look like. I really appreciate you letting me share these updates with you all. I look forward to hearing some feedback as we get these out into the market, and lots more to come from myself and the product engineering and design teams in the future.
That was awesome. So many new features that released today, so many more features coming up in the pipeline soon. And this is just so exciting. As a marketer myself, I'm looking at all this and I'm like, wow, we got analytics, we got campaign acceleration, we have brand intelligence. There's a lot going in that turns Jasper from just being an AI assistant to evolving into a full AI co-pilot for marketing teams. So I just want to give a hand to Dave, Timothy, and Zach for this amazing presentation. I hope that you all believe in the vision they see for 2024 on where AI and Jasper is going. And I think that if any of these features speak to you, you're going to be happy with what's coming out in the next few months. If you are a little late to today, you're asking, who is the Jasper AI business platform best for? Right. And so this is a lot of these features are on the business plan. And so if you're looking at this, whether you're a current customer or you're now looking at Jasper as an option for planning 2024 in your AI strategy, you're thinking, number one, am I or my team a high performing marketing team? If yes, you might be good for Jasper for Business. Are you a team that has growing demands, but you're tight on timelines or other resources that are flatlined and you're expected to do more with less? If yes, the Jasper for AI platform might be for you. If you're looking to unlock new verticals, geos, or additional markets, then Jasper's excellent for that. You can do more off of your same content, repackaging it and scaling up with your AI Copilot. If you're an agency that supports many different businesses, or you're a portfolio company in the same way that you have many brands in one workspace and your team is working on different pieces of the portfolio, then that is perfect for you. And then also, if you're a tech platform and you're looking for a multi-model AI that applies brand voice into your platform, you can use the Jasper API for that. And so this is what Jasper's business AI platform is built for. If you are interested in exploring more, go to jasper.ai/book and get a meeting with one of our AI experts. There's a few reasons why you might want to do this. And so if you're considering it today, number one, your competitors might be considering it as well. And we need to stay competitive in 2024. So if you don't have yet a plan for your AI strategy, now's the time to get ahead of it and start thinking about ways to improve your marketing team's performance and efficiency using AI. Secondly, in 2024, prices will be going up. Today, Jasper is the least expensive it will ever be. And so by getting involved in the process now, you're going to get preferred pricing. And so go ahead and book that meeting to start that process, because you and I both know how long it can take to implement a new tool into our companies. You might want to go ahead and get some preferred pricing while you're at planning your 2024 strategy. Also, as you heard Zach and both Timothy say, your voice is so important in the product roadmap. And that's why we have big webinars like this, where we're having a conversation with you all and we're getting feedback in real time. We have customer discovery groups, we have communities. There's a lot going on where your voice is being amplified into our roadmap. So if you want to have a voice on any of these features and upcoming features going into 2024, you might want to book and request early access to this platform. And if you are looking for help to figure out what is the best use cases for my team and to hit my goals in 2024, our team can help you do that. We have helped over 100,000 businesses use Jasper as of today, and we see all kinds of use cases, clever ways to use AI for each job title in the entire marketing suite. And so if you're looking for help and assistance to navigate the world of AI, we're here to handhold you and give you the best playbooks to get going fast. All right. So with that, go ahead and go book at jasper.ai/book. And to recap on what makes Jasper the better AI for business, you're looking not just for faster, you're looking for better. That means better intelligence, better coordination, better acceleration, better analytics, and insights. If you don't have all of these within AI, it's just an assistant. It's not a true marketing co-pilot. This is what separates Jasper from the rest. So if you're looking not just for faster, you're looking for better, go with Jasper. Jasper doesn't just get outputs, it gets outcomes. 800% surge in website traffic from best places by using Jasper's API in Google Sheets, been for content creation at scale. You got Amplitude doing a lot of great SEO projects, and they've reduced their cost of writing by 88%. And Bloomreach has increased their website traffic to produce higher quality blog posts way faster, along with so many other different industries. And this is what the beauty of Jasper is that it's just so helpful across a variety of industries. So whether you are in media and publishing, whether you're an e-com store, if you're a fast-paced tech company, if you're an agency, doesn't really matter what industry you're in, Jasper has a case study that can showcase how we are actually performing in the market. So with that, go ahead and book at jasper.ai/book. You'll get your early access, your preferred pricing, your plan for AI in 2024, your voice in the development on our roadmap, and to stay competitive. Thank you so much for joining us live. And we look forward to hearing from you about your excitement on this product roadmap and our vision for 2024. Thank you so much and have a great day.